It's your boy Rick Rouse, Bawse, bringing you another episode of MayBach Cookin.
MayBach music.
Woo! Today's episode, we gon' make chicken and waffles. Bawse. So the first thing you wanna do, take your waffles out the package, like so. Bawse. Shout out Signature Select. Gotta get my gas points. Woo! Next, clear off your top raiment. Say that for another episode of MayBach Cookin.
MayBach music.
Huh? Place your waffles into your toaster. Make sure it's on at least 4 or 5 to get that extra crispiness. Rose! While that's going on, we could preheat the oven to 450 degrees. That's hot. After your egg goes pop, the fun don't stop. Bawse. Woo! Getting a little hot. Anyways, place your eggs on your plate in a fashionable manner. Oh, look like the chicken looking right. Woo! Oh. So we can grab those, put them joints on top. Well, I like to be rich forever.
MayBach music.
Gross. Now, don't mind her. Some people like to call that good. But me, I like to put it back in. Get that extra crisp. Ooh! About 10 minutes of crispy. Wow. Ooh. There you have it. Chicken and waffles.
MayBach music.
Bawse. Don't forget to add your favorite sauce. Rose. Then bone add your tea. Woo!